There again, my friends. It is your loan guy, Troy, with the Reichert Mortgage Team, bringing you another mortgage market moment. Excited to do so. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Want to get jumped right into this thing here for you. Again, we always like to put up on front. We are a broker. We love being a broker because statistically speaking, again, we usually have lower rates and or lower fees than some of the big boys and girls out there. So we really enjoy bringing you the best value possible. Also, we have a lot of different loan products than what we're going to be talking about in this video, okay? We do talk about VA, conventional, FHA, the big three, right? We always talk about those things, but your situation might call for something different, okay? We've got a dozen or so different loan programs that could help you, to include down payment assistance, some investment property stuff, those kind of things. So don't think that these are the only three that we have. Now, interest rates always change. As you can see, if you watch a lot of these videos, they change all the time. In fact, they change daily, sometimes multiple times a day, depending upon what's going on. Our scenario that we work through on this video, $450,000 purchase price on a single family home, 30-year fixed, okay? We fold in also $175 each for property taxes and homeowners insurance in the monthly payment estimates. Also, what we do is we do not factor in any HOA. So again, your unique situation and property might be a little bit different, okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and get started on this thing here for you. VA purchase, 660 credit score. Again, no money down on this. That's what VA allows. 5.625 30-year fixed on that interest rate, 5.670 to 5.970. Again, that VA funding fee is a real big factor in both the APR and the monthly payment, as you're going to see here in just a second. Monthly payment, $2,940 and change to $3,025 and change. If you're financing in that VA funding fee, maybe you don't have it, right? If you don't have it, it's the $2,940. If you do have it, it could be upwards of $3,025 for that monthly payment on this type of scenario that we're talking about. Conventional purchase, 740 credit score, 10% down, 6.912 on that interest rate, 7.093 for the APR, and an estimated monthly payment of $3,081 and change. FHA purchase, 660 credit score, 3.5% down on that 30-year fix, 6.094 on the interest rate, 6.858 APR, $3,223 as that estimated monthly payment. Now, where are interest rates today compared to last week? Well, they are indeed slightly higher, okay? Well, why is that? So there were some major economic indices that were brought out to the public last week. One of them is labor, one of them is manufacturing. So job openings were indeed less than expectations. Production numbers for manufacturing were also lower than expected. Usually these numbers are generally bad for the economy, right? But they're usually good for interest rates. Well, let's talk about that for a second. Well, if they're good for interest rates, then why did interest rates go up? Well, because there are other temporary factors that are moving the needle here a little bit. So last week, actually, interest rates were about a half a point lower, depending upon the product, for a very short period of time last week. So the market felt like they overcorrected based upon some economic data that we just talked about, and then it kind of shot back up a little bit. So I think it's going to be temporary. There's not a lot of economic data that's coming out today. We could see some lower rates, but really, it's all about volatility. I know I kind of foot stomped this on a lot of different videos that you might be watching. Volatility, that pendulum swings quite a bit, right? So we just got to keep an eye on things. I do not believe you can time this market, okay? You just got to feel good about what's going on, make a good decision about, okay, is this affordable for me? Again, different types of loan products can help you out with that. Don't try to time the market. In fact, interest rate, remember, is only one aspect of whether you should purchase a home. I cannot say this enough. Don't let that be the reason why you're on the sidelines. Maybe you should be on the sidelines. I'm not saying you shouldn't, but don't automatically think you cannot afford a home just because interest rates are higher than they were a year and a half ago. We need to have that conversation with you. Again, contact information is right there. You give us a call. Let's come up with that clear mortgage plan for you. Have that consultation so you can feel good about the decision that you're making. Don't automatically think you can't. Let's put it together so we can make sure that we have all the information in front of you. Troy with the Reichert Mortgage Team, your loan guy. Let's have a chat. Take care. Bye.